Hello. Maybe the audience is not so large that I can keep my mask off. Okay, so first let me introduce myself. I am Jean-Bernard Teta. I am product manager for REDEX, rotary and linear axis drive. I am in charge of this product line for the support and sales worldwide. Let's start by just a few words about REDEX. We are today a group of 450 people. We got 3 factories worldwide, 2 in Europe, two in France and 1 in Germany. We are glad to manufacture 100% of our product in Europe. We got today 8 subsidiary companies and 3 service centers, one for Asia located in Shanghai, 1 for Europe in Paris, and 1 for America in New Jersey, south of New York. The turnover of the group is 100 million euro, and we export on more than 50 countries worldwide. The activity of the company is based on industrial B2B with a focus on 3 divisions. The machine tool drive, from which I belong, and we will come back on this division later, and the precision rolling mills, for which REDEX is a manufacturer of a complete cold rolling mills for flat and profile product, or to make wire precision reduction. The third division is a strip processing technology, for which REDEX is producing machines and equipment for managing the flatness of a metal strip. Today, all our divisions are technology oriented. We got a lot of R&D, a lot of engineering share between all design office of the company. So let's start with machine tool components. This is an overview of what we are offering. So different gearbox profile, as you can see, with a rack for linear drive and with a ring gear for rotary drive. There is different profile of product which are with wrong housing. You can see these are wrong housing with a pinion, different size of pinion, and some with a square shape. Some gearbox are delivered together to make a complete drive with a backlash cancellation. So today we are glad to be able to offer a complete solution for any main axis drive of your machine, X, Y, and Z, W axis and C axis. This is a global overview. All our gearbox construction got a specific point, which is based on the fact that the output is a pinion. And this pinion is an integral. It's a massive, together with the shaft, supported with a strong roller bearing, so able to support heavy load, heavy radial load. So our gearbox got all the same construction as we can show here. It's not a welded pinion, it's a massive pinion connected to the planet carrier, and this solution is applied on all our gearbox. But today, the subject is KRPX. It's this nice gearbox you can see here, and we call it side fixing axis, like a machine bed extension, because it's really a solution that pays off, and we are going to demonstrate this. If you look on the sample view of what needs to be a machine when you use a wrong gearbox, the frame of the machine must have extension on the sides. You can avoid this by just making a reference surface. You fix the gearbox directly on it, And these gearbox are strongly connected with screws, and this avoid solution like we can see on the side with a bracket support and extension in addition to the frame. We offer today a range of 5 sizes from 200 Newton meter torque up to 10,000 Newton meter torque. So the module of the gearbox and the module of the rack starts from 3, and we go up to module 8. The construction, as the gearbox is very strong with a very powerful lot of torque capacity for acceleration, the construction, the shape is taken account with some finite element calculation to make it very stiff and to maintain the stiffness of the gearbox. As I said, the output shaft and the pinion is supported by strong taper roller bearing. So the housing is designed in this idea to keep the stiffness of the drive with the fixing. Another specific point of the KRPX, this gearbox got a basement with a reference fixed surface, integrating a keyway, allowing a geometry positioning of the gearbox. This is a very interesting solution because it allows straightforward mounting. As you can see on this rotary table, the gearbox with the green surface is directly parallel to the pinion axis if the machine machine accuracy is made on this way. And with the keyway, the yellow part, you got the orientation, perfect orientation of the pinion with the keyway on. Then only the setting by construction allow an easy mounting straightforward, and they just have to adjust the distance center with the pinion. As you can see here, the green parts allow the alignment with the green angle, and the keyway allow alignment with the yellow angle. And then just with the screw push-pull, you just have to adjust the distance center. It's the same, of course, on linear axis drive. As you can see here, the yellow, the green part support surface is perpendicular to the rack axis and in line with the push-pull screw. You can just adjust the distance center. Another important point for this, the gearbox itself is connected with the housing with 8 screws. One important point I didn't notice is the housing is made in the graphite spheroidal cast iron, the same material that the machine basement, so this is where we consider that it's a machine frame extension. With a strong fixing, the pinning, we got really a solution which avoid the machine designer to make extension of the machine. Sorry. So here are some examples. As you can see here, a rotary table with just a surface fixing which is tangential to the pitch diameter of the ring gear. By fixing, you got the position of the gearbox directly aligned from the factory with the pinion. Another example could be this solution. On the side of a machine bed, you can fix the gearbox with just a surface and connection on the side of the machine frame. For all our gearbox, like the KRPX, REDEX is able to make a very deep calculation of your application to determine the right module, the right size of the gearbox, and all information for installation. So we got dedicated software, and our sales engineer team can support you to determine the best solution for your machine axis. So in summary, this gearbox you can see here, I remember, five sizes up to 10,000 Newton-meter torque. A torque capacity very high, but very stiff, very accurate. And we have this solution for the side fixing mounting that is very convenient for the machine bed or rotary table. And all the dimension and accuracy are 100 compliance with the machine tool. And just to finish, this design, as you can see, becomes slowly a standard for precision machine axis drive, which is a solution today that is the best seller for REDEX and more popular for machine designer. So I don't know if you have question, but this is in a time request, what we can say about the KRPX of REDEX. Thank you for your attention.